directs higher education institutes to create COVID task force and helpline. Maharashtra SCERT releases HSC question banks. Telangana declares all class 10 students pass. UGC issues clarification against fake news on examination guidelines. Uncertainty prevails over decision on Class 10 board exams in Bengal due to COVID surge. Kerala Law Academy starts admission process for BA, LLB and LLM courses. Himachal Pradesh Board of School Examination Class 10 results to be announced soon. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the University Grants Commission on Monday advised all higher education institutes to constitute COVID task force and helplines to help students and teachers amidst the ongoing pandemic. The varsities have been directed to promote COVID appropriate behavior, including sanitization, wearing masks, washing hands with soap and maintaining social distancing. The Commission asked the HEIs to remain sensitive amid the unprecedented situation caused by COVID-19. Some of the measures to be undertaken by all HEIs in the present times include arranging for counselors and mentors for mental health, psychological support and well-being of stakeholders, encouraging stakeholders to participate in vaccination drives, read the official notice. The HEIs are also advised to create teams of well-informed trained volunteers in life skills including NSS, NCC for extending help and support. The Maharashtra State Council of Educational Research and Training has released the question bank of higher secondary certificate examinations. Subject-wise question banks are available for students who will be appearing in the upcoming board exams 2021 online. The question banks have been released in 3 languages: English, Marathi and Urdu medium. The Maharashtra board has already reduced the board exam syllabus by 25% due to the academic loss amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. The question banks have been prepared based on the reduced syllabus. The School Education Department of Telangana has announced that all SSC or Class 10 OSSC vocational students are to be declared pass. In an official notice, they said the government reviewed the COVID-19 pandemic situation in the state and it is hereby decided to declare the results as pass for all the students of Class 10 as a one-time measure, duly considering their performance in internal assessments for 20%. The department decided to scaling of 20% of internal assessment marks to 100% marks. Therefore, all schools under various managements during academic year 2021-22 have to announce the SSC results. The decision has been taken after the Telangana government decided to cancel SSC exams scheduled to be held from May 17. A memo from the School Education Department said that the decision comes in light of the pandemic situation prevailing in the state, as well as the CBSE notification of April 14 that dropped Class 10 exams and postponed exams for students of Class 12. The University Grants Commission on Tuesday called out fake news being circulated on various platforms regarding examination guidelines. In view of the news circulating in print and digital media, it is clarified that UGC has not yet issued any guidelines on examination recently and the news is incorrect. Read the official announcement. The Commission released an official notice regarding the clarification. It has come to the Commission's notice that incorrect news regarding UGC guidelines on examination has been published in some print and digital media. UGC had issued guidelines on examination and academic calendar from time to time during last year. Further, UGC notification issued on May 6 has requested the universities to keep the online exams in abeyance during the month of May 2021, the official notice read. In light of the second wave of COVID-19, the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education on Tuesday said it is yet to arrive at a final decision on whether to go ahead with the Class 10 examination scheduled in June or postpone the tests. Board President Kalyanmoy Ganguly said no decision has been taken yet on postponement or cancellation of the exams. I cannot say anything on the issue at present, he said. A senior board official said that the school education department has been asked to look at ways to evaluate answer sheets and allot marks to candidates amid the pandemic situation. We are yet to make any formal decision with regard to holding the exams, he said. With around 4,000 exam centers in readiness, including adhering to COVID-19 protocols, the board had taken all necessary steps before the second wave of the contagion struck, officials said. This year, the board examinations of Class 10s were scheduled to begin from June 1st and continue till June 10th. The Kerala Law Academy has started the admission process for various programs. The Academy is inviting application for admission to 5-year BA LLB and BCon LLB along with 3-year LLB, LLM and MLB courses. Applicants can apply through the official website of Kerala Law Academy. Candidates who wish to apply for the 5-year BA LLB, BCom LLB should have scored at least 45% marks in class 12. They must clear the entrance exam and interview round. The final admission will be done based on performance in the entrance exam and personal interview. Applicants will have to pay an application fee of Rs 1250. The LLM course shall extend to the period of 2 academic years consisting of 4 semesters. The subjects of the specialization offered are administrative law and international law. The MBL degree course shall extend to a period of 3 academic years consisting of 6 semesters. The Himachal Pradesh Board of School Examinations has released the evaluation criteria for Class 10 students. The HPBOSE Class 10 board exams were cancelled due to the rise in COVID-19 cases. The students will now be evaluated on the basis of their performances in the first term, second term, pre-board and internal assessment exams held during the academic year 2021-22. Keeping in view the sharp surge of COVID-19 cases in the state, it was also declared in the meeting that the annual examination of the 10th standard of Himachal Pradesh Board of Secondary Education should stand cancelled, the government's official order said. All the students who will be promoted to class 11 by the board as per the norm suggested by CBSE for its students for class 10 examination as per the official statement. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website theENN.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.